A long time ago, you said I was free. No longer a servant or slave I would be. But despite that so-called great emancipation, I wasn't made a part of this nation. My body was free, but my mind was chained, and a second-rate being is what I remained. The soul cannot be oppressed, only the spirit. Oh, I cried out, but you just didn't hear it. You thought I was subhuman because I wasn't like you. And what's worse, you made me believe it too. Oh, I know who I am. And I'm not inferior or equal for that matter. I am superior. I don't walk like you do or look like you do. If you don't like me, to hell with you. Yeah. I know how beautiful I am and how beautiful I can be. And this, not Abraham Lincoln, has made SAS free. I know who I am, and I'm not inferior or equal for that matter. I am superior. I won't try to act like you do or look like you do. If you don't like me, you know where you go. To hell with you. Yeah, but here's the deal, family. When you know who you are, that you're the beginning, the mother, the essence, the owner, the maker, the cream of the planet Earth, black God and goddesses of the entire universe. Yeah, I know who I am. Yes, sir. And I know you got some more entertainers in the house. Who's coming up next? Open mic time. Who are we going to hear from next? How about...